What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another video on pypython. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can download this Sublime Text 3 on your Windows operating system. Cool. So for that I want you to go to your browser and search for Google and search for Sublime Text 3 and then click on the first link. Okay, now you need to search for your operating system bit, operating system type. So for that, go to this PC and click on properties, and then as you can see, my system type is 64-bit operating system, so I'm going to download this 64-bit link. For those who are using 32-bit, they can click on the above link. Okay, click on this and then click on save. Just double click on the setup that you have downloaded just right now and then click on yes. And now see, this is the location where the program files will be installed. So you can either change it by click on this browse button, or you can just use the default settings, click on and just click on next. Now do not click on this add to explorer context menu because it's of no use, so you just head over to next and click on it, and I'm going to click on install now. It only takes 5 seconds, I guess, to install Sublime Text, and just click on finish. Now I'm going to search for Sublime Text 3, and here I have the Sublime Text 3 on my Windows operating system. I hope this video was useful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Plus, one more thing, we'll be working on Sublime Text from now on, so I hope you'll download the Sublime Text 3 on your Windows operating system. Peace.